Hello Amazon or internet, wherever this video ends up. This is Mr. E, and today I'll be reviewing the Moko stainless steel space gray watch band for Apple Watch. I got the 42 millimeter. It retails for $30. I saw this product on Amazon and I thought it looked pretty cool. I liked the butterfly clasp, which I'll show you in a sec. So this is a unboxing. It's not really, I already took this out and put it together just because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. But it comes somewhat like this. So let's get into it. So you get it, 42. Yours will come in two separate parts. The butterfly clasp will be off of the other part, and so that part you have to assemble, which is nice though because you have to take it apart anyways to adjust it to your band, your wrist. So first off, let's just go over the construction. I mean, if you look at it, there's some marks in between. Not necessarily marks, but just places where the paint isn't fully through. But, it's got a good heavy weight to it. It is 316L stainless steel, and you can definitely tell it's a solid construction. There's no, dings or anything around. It's pretty cool looking. This is actually my first Apple Watch band other than, what came with the sports one. And for exercising and with Pokemon Go, obviously, I'd recommend still using the rubber one or the silicone one just because you're going to be walking around and sweating a lot, and I don't know how this would feel sweating. I took this out for a spin earlier, and I really liked it. You can definitely feel the sturdiness. It feels like a real watch, for lack of a better term. So in the package you get the band, obviously, and then you get this little styrofoam thing, foam thing, and then you get your little toolkit for helping you to take out links. This thing, which I never really figured out the purpose of, and this other screwdriver, which I also never really found out the purpose of. This one's pretty important. Don't throw this away. This kind of spins off. You put you choose what link you want to go. Make sure, okay, notification. Make sure you figure out which way the arrows are going. So, you get your arrows facing the right way. You unscrew this thing. You lock it to where you want it to. Make sure, you can see if you pick it up, the light's kind of bad, but you can see where the nub is, and you want to put that into here and make sure it lines up. And then your little screwdriver thing has that little tip, and you're going to just stick it in there, screw it in, line it up so it gets there, and then you screw it and it pops it over. I'm not going to do it now just because I already did. I'm not an engineering major. I'm a medical student, so I'm not entirely sure how everything works or what it's for, but this part slides out, and I used it to put, my extra links. I've got a fairly standard sized wrist. It's hard to tell, but I had to take out 3 links, and now it fits perfectly. It was pretty easy to take out the links. The only issue I faced was that on the shorter side of the two pieces that it comes in, one of the pins was very difficult to get off. You just use a pair of needle nose pliers, just yank it out, and you're fine. As I said, I'm loving it so far. The only gripe I have is that one pin that was a little harder to get off. Let's see here, some of the specs. I'm just reading this straight off of Amazon. It's got the double button butterfly clasp. Mine doesn't. Interesting. Oh, double button. It just means the double buttons on the side. Yeah, there's one on the top, one on the bottom. Yeah, pretty standard. So here, as I said earlier, it's 316L stainless steel, which not only guarantees durability, but also presents an excellent glossy finish. And it integrates practicality with fashion naturally. That doesn't sound like a native English speaker wrote that. But that being said, I live in upstate New York, and I did not use Prime on this, and I got this in 2 days. Originally it said it'd get here on Friday. Today's Wednesday. Then it said Thursday, and lo and behold, it showed up today, which I am not going to complain about. For going on, it's ergonomic design. Yeah, it feels good. Ergonomic, made for humans. Definitely made for humans. Sturdy lugs, yeah, definitely good lugs. Maybe a little too sturdy. Exquisite workmanship. I mean, honestly, I don't have anything to really compare it to, but I have no gripes about it. It comes with a link remover. Yeah. Wrist range. So it's supposed to fit with all the what do you call them, links. It goes from a 8.07 inch to a 5.71 inch wrist, which for our metric friends over across the pond and everywhere else in the world besides America and like 2 other countries, it's 145 millimeter to 205 millimeter. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. So I just have my standard 42 millimeter space gray aluminum, because I was not willing to pay more for stainless steel, and I actually like this one a lot. But yeah, to kind of take this off, if you haven't already figured it out, you just kind of use your thumb, press that button in. I like to go from the bottom part, so that way I'm not mashing on these buttons and just kind of making them feel bad. But I press it in and I push from the top, and it slides right out. And then same with the other way. Push it in, slides right out. I like to undo the clasp before I put this on, and it's nice because if you like depending on what you're used to, you can put either side on top, so it can either open like that or like that, depending on how you put it on. I personally like it to open, with the top part on the like that. Yeah, I don't know how you would say that. But you can choose if you don't like that and you like it the other way, you can do it the other way around. So go ahead, and you kind of have to do both sides at once because it is, one connected body. So you slide that in just a little bit, you go to the other side, take it, you slide it right in, goes right in. Oh, mother. And then you kind of push them through, get a nice little click, you can feel it. And then it goes right on. Wiggle it right on. Goes right on. It's 87 today, I guess. And it's very humid and I'm sweaty, but it feels good. It's got a nice weight to it. London's mayor, something about him. So yeah, overall I have no complaints about this product. I can say more when I've used it more. I'm definitely going to be leaving my information, so that way if anybody has any questions, I'll be able to answer them. But overall, great product. Go out there and buy it. All right, peace, guys.